Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You log into YouTube and open YouTube Studio. This is where you control uploads, analytics, and settings. First, make sure your channel is verified and your upload defaults are set so repetitive fields fill automatically. Next, confirm channel permissions if others will help. Then start an upload with one prepared video file, a clear title, and a thumbnail. Once done, use the panel on the right to add basic details, audience selection, and initial tags before moving to deeper configuration. Now focus on optimization. You fill the title, write a descriptive description with timestamps, and add relevant tags and a playlist to boost discovery. Make sure to upload a custom thumbnail that reads clearly at small sizes. This increases click-through. Then add end screens, cards, and chapters to retain viewers and guide them to more content. If eligible, enable monetization and upload subtitles. Finally, set the visibility and schedule a publish time that matches your audience and publish or schedule your video and immediately monitor real-time analytics for watch time, views, and audience retention. These metrics tell you what to tweak. If performance lags, update metadata, swap thumbnails, or promote the link on social channels and community posts. Make sure to review comments and respond to boost engagement. If processing or copyright issues occur, use the copyright claim and check sections and re-upload with corrected metadata or formats. One key tip: clear cache and reprocess the upload if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.